let's do a comparison to the previous design of the Zone and the new one. Sexy! Come here, baby. So let's look at them. Same size tires, 17 on the front. This is also a 45 amp hour. 16 on the back. Same tires, same fenders, but the whole body paneling is completely different. Mirrors are the same. Windshields are different. We'll start kind of from the gauges. Let's compare the gauges. Emmo did upgrade their screen to a colored last year, but here's your new colored screen. Very nice. You're going to be able to see that at night now. Same brake reservoirs, adjustable brake handles, throttles. Now, I did notice that the 3-speed, so your right housing is different on the new one as opposed to the old one. Let's get a pan in on the, on the lights. Look at the lights, the difference. Same disc brakes. So there's going to be a lot of parts that are interchangeable between the two of them. Same height, same motor, same exhaust, same pegs. Ooh, but they've made these ones black. So this is actually the Tau Leo pegs, black, blacked out with the silver peg. That remains the same. No, they're different style actually, but they're interchangeable again. Oh, these panels are interchangeable. These ones here are. But your biggest difference, charging port, cruise control, so that's it. Oh, the grips are a little different. My apologies. Your grips are a little different here. Just different style, but yeah, because they've changed the housing. But again, these are 100 amp hour battery. We'll let you know what the speed difference is on this. Obviously, you've got your storage tank in here. Now, the limiter, let me show you this. This is your limiter, your toggle. When that's off, you have use of your 3-speed. And then on the previous model, where's the toggle on these ones? Oh, like you're gonna find that. See where that is on this one? So yeah, so different placement with that. And then let's take a look at the rear lights. Yep, those are exactly the same too. So there's your side-by-side. Now you know.